Hi guys. I have to do dishwasher. Clear it. Oh, you got burger? Okay.
You just spat on that. Okay.
What about? Okay. You put that there. I don't know where to put it. A friend. Oh, friend. Oh, friend. Oh, friend. Dishwasher friend.
There, go upside down.
Do I?
Do you? Do you? Say it. Say it.
Do I care?
Yes.
What I done?
Oh, I got glass in my fingers.
What?
I got glass in my fingers.
Who cares?
I care. It hurts.
Do I care? No.
Good brother you are.
No, I don't.
Alright, you can put the dirty stuff in now.
Huh?
Put the dirty stuff in.
What? That's still not fair. Not fair. What? I'll just go like that. Put that there. Put you there. Put it in there. And put it in there. Then where's it gone? Then you go in. Then do that. End of. I've done.
What?
What? What? What? That is stupid.
Oh, I got a Snapchat.
Please
I'm so
subscribe,
popular.
like
I'm
the
Facebook
video.
famous.
If you didn't like it, just dislike and subscribe, yeah, and comment below. See, like, I just weird. Yeah, see ya.
Yeah. Night.
Get lost.